Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Life of Raya TV. It's me. And this is going to be a spend the weekend with me vlog. I got good news. I'm going to be gifting me a new car because it's time. And yeah, you guys want to come with me and help me pick out what I want because it's time. Yeah, and then I got plans with my friend Anaya. We're gonna be going out to eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed now and get ready. I know I look like disgusting, but I'm gonna do my makeup. And I'm so smoky. Get some more because I'm not this one. But and I put some pink champagne on. Got your girl smelling good, finna look good. Y'all really hope my hair turns out right because if you don't, I'm like probably cry. Y'all, the next time I get my hair done is like for prom, and I'm trying to like do my hair like my natural hair because I'm gonna start doing it because like all this back and forth to watch me do my makeup instead of me just yapping. So guys, I went to Ulta with the bonnet on. And it's funny because like I thought I was the only one in there with one. I saw another girl in there with one. But yeah, I got these lashes. So I'm gonna try this. I think it's gonna be so cute. So guys, I'm at a car doing. Oh, this is how my hair turned out, by the way. I'm gonna probably redo it because I feel like, I don't know, I think it's cute, but I don't know. I think I could have did better with the wrapping it and stuff. But we're gonna see if I get this car. I hope I do. Because it's time. Like I said, I'm sick of waiting and waiting and waiting. But after I leave here, if I leave here with the car, I'm gonna go with Anaya and them to go eat some seafood, chose seafood. So, and I'm gonna be vlogging with my camera because I got my camera there, but it's charging. I've been cutting off my phone, so hopefully it's done charging. But y'all see the root? Like the root's like, yeah. Don't play with me because I'm at Oreo. This is Oreo. Car start without me at it. It's push start, and then like let me show y'all the feature. So like this is how she looks. She's so sexy, and then like you can move the air vents, and then like y'all know how this stuff work, and then it's leather seats, sunroof, sitting pretty, and like yeah, let me show y'all the outside. By the way, when I back up, right, it's 360. And I got the heated tire. I love that for her. Period. I got the heated wheels and seats. This is how she look on the outside. This is why I call her Oreo.
Period. On a musty hoe. New car, who this? Period. It's Oriana. I don't want to be feeling dead, so I said that I was either. I thought you would be real.
We're outside doing
It's like
TikTok.
It's so
You said it too late. What? So y'all, it's the next day. It's 11:52. I'm recording on my camera now. It's fully charged. Yeah, these are the nails that I'm gonna get. I like my my lock screen. Wait. Ooh, they got pretty. Okay, so yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait, hold on. So yeah, I'm gonna get this. The camera don't want to focus, but y'all should get the picture. It's like French tip, but it's not, and it's like 2 shades of pink with glitter on it. I feel like that's gonna be so cute. I don't know why it's not focusing, but yeah. So I'm finna take my hair out this day. I'm scared because like, what if the curls aren't gonna get that off? Oh, y'all. Yeah, I don't got no spectacular on. I just got this for my pink curls. Cause they ain't going nowhere, for real.
The button to the unlock. Think you all that.
Oh yeah, and I am. I don't think I know. Come on, you can sit in the back.
It's okay.
Get in the new. Boo boo.
Grab this funky phone. It's 2025.
Yeah.
Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of you. Damn. Look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you've been. I was jealous, man. I was just so in it. I was just so.
Come on, show them what nails you getting. That's what she getting, y'all. I'm so ready. Then after we gonna like probably go to Walmart and get something to eat, cause hungry. I think we're gonna ride with the sunroof. Cause why not? It's a beautiful sunny day.
No, it's not.
Ooh, yeah. We're finally out of there. They was taking forever and moving slow. But yeah, they was moving so freaking slow. Like, we was there. What time did we get there? We got there like 2 something. We got there at like 12 something. And we were just not getting out at 3:16. Yeah, 3:16. And the lady was moving so slow. Like, hey boss. So I'm back home. And I didn't take y'all with me. I don't know why, but basically I just went after we got done from the little shop. Yeah, I went to go to the stores and get some gifts for my grandma. It's her birthday. And what else? We just went to like a lot of other stores, and I went to Walmart because I had a Walmart gift card, and then we went to go get some ice cream from Hershey's, my favorite place. And I got my favorite butter pecan, and I got strawberry cheesecake too. So I eat that after I eat my food, cause Mom makes some good food. Some barbecue chicken, cabbage and rice, and baked macaroni and cheese. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next video.